people, now welcome back to my channel today. Venita don't come out, come explain the reason why it no good as a woman to marry before the age of 28. And also, Phyna don't come out, come file petition against the hair vendor where we say she borrow wig from. And she don't also talk certain things for her podcast about your Edochie and the family where we say netizens, they not like am. So of recent, Venita, for an interview wey be say she do, she give shocking revelations on why e no go make sense for person, especially a woman, to get married before the age of 28. So according to her, she say anybody wey be say any woman, she say woman, any woman wey be say dey marry anything younger than 28 years old, dey make a very big mistake in her own opinion. She say she disclosed this thing for her interview wey be say she do with Tasha for Cool FM. According to her, the way she take put am, she say don't marry young o, don't go and do I am doing high school sweetheart with kpaye. Just be young, enjoy your life. When you are tired, you get married. So Tasha come ask am to say, when you say make the person no marry young, wetin be the age for the young wey be say you dey talk about? Because people of 48, 42 years still dey call themselves young. So Venita come tell her say, well, say do not marry young mean say if her pikin, her daughter come tell am to say, mommy, I'm getting married, and her pikin never reach that 28 years old, say she fit follow the pikin rugged am, because according to her, anything below 28 is a no for her, because you fit change your mind along the line. Then when you dey 20 something, you still dey make mistakes for your life, a lot of mistakes, you still never know wetin you want, all those type of things. You fit get your soulmate fit come later for life. You fit think say the person wey you dey with now, when you wan marry, na your soulmate, but your soulmate fit come later for life. That's why she make that assessment. Say, but make we not get her wrong, because they get people wey be say they fit dey 20 something, but they don't dey matured enough for upstairs. But e go good make you try different experiences to be sure say you don dey okay, because once you don marry, you just be like handcuff, you are stuck there forever. I come ask her say, babe, why you can't dey use the word stuck as you call am? Say marriage na once person marry, the person dey stuck when say that place. So Venita come say, well, say because you are stuck, and that's the social idea. Let's say the person dey western like her, where we say believe in divorce, all those type of thing. Say, but if you person where we say not believe in divorce, you go just dey stuck for the marriage, you go dey unhappy. Say the ones where we say marry now, where we say they enjoy, they smile, say go get the time where we say they go hate each other, they go just dey exist, they go just dey coexist for inside the same house. She also said the reason why they get madam room and oga room now, when problem dey, each other go always get space. Make the woman dey her own room, make the man dey your own. That's why most times if you go couple's house, they stay for different room. She also reveal her ideal marriage. She say her ideal marriage na the one where be say they not go even they stay for the same house. As in they fit stay for the same house, but you just be like a different house where be say like a big corridor go differentiate the two of them. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, I beg, try subscribe. Help me like this video, like the video, and drop your comments for the comment section below, and also help me share this video. Una, thank you. So for this statement wey be say Venita make, I actually concur with her to some extent, because she na person wey be say don marry and she don see life, she don divorce, she divorced very early. A lot of people they rush into marriage not because of they really want enter there, na because of the societal pressure. And once you don't they come of certain age, people go just they believe say you're supposed to just settle down, especially for this our Africa, not just our African mentality. But you people not even reason like that. Or you people you go see them, they go there 50 years, they never even they think of settling down. But for Africa, yeah, once you don't they reach 25, 26, they don't start to disturb you. Say, you know, go settle down, you reach 30, that one worse. Everybody go they put eye for your body. So the thing where she try to talk, say make you take your time before you rush into marriage. Make sure say you don't enjoy yourself finish to your satisfaction. Realize, think your life where say, this marriage I want enter. So now the thing where be say I really want to, not be because of what society want for you. So onto Phyna matter, as we all know, Phyna, she gets a podcast where they call Spill with Phyna. So for that her podcast, she can't mention your Edochie marriage for the podcast. For the thing where we say Phyna talk, she said I didn't being your Edochie they very rich, saying go for fit manage me Edochie and Judy Austin where thief year from May. So she come further give example, say look at Ned Nwoko, say Ned Nwoko, the man marry plenty wife and all of them they are living big, they are living happy. Say but now because you no get money, now make a marriage with me fit scatter like that, and that's why I no fit do that polygamy of it. Make una just listen to wetin she talk for una sef.
If you was rich, like very, very rich, he would have been able to manage both May and you and Judy quietly. Nobody need to disturb anybody. Did you see Ned? Are you
Yeah, that's the
serious?
one you like. No stress, like soft life. Gay.
That is what we call polygamy. Peace of mind. That's why I say it's for the rich. It's strictly for the rich. I'm not saying Yul is not
'Cause it's a
rich.
lifestyle everybody cannot afford,
He's
yeah.
rich, but
So this her statement e no sit well with a lot of people because they believe to say there are some topic where we say you no suppose mention when you dey do your podcast. So ma just go straight to the point. So she can say, so your situation is all about money to you guys. May betrayed, May being betrayed isn't a thing to you guys. Una think say na una think say everything na money come his. So well, the thing wey be say the person dey try to talk be say e no be everything be money. Sometimes when you and person don dey for a very long time, the betrayal you no go fit just take am. Even if you get money, there are people wey be say no go ever gree accept am for polygamy. Some people just be like that. Person come say you people believe May doesn't have her standards and principles because you don't have one, and you think it's because of money she officiated the divorce. Well, money isn't everything. There are people that will choose their peace of mind over it. Exactly. I don't think for those of una wey be say no me, that me she's not from a poor family. Lie, me is not from a poor family. She just doesn't brag. And even if she's from a poor family, which I know say she's not, I don't think me and a person wey be say go ever accept polygamy. People wey be say they always compare Ned Nwoko situation and that of May, they are not too smart because Ned Nwoko, on the other hand, those his wives, he not dey follow for corner, they go marry them. In dey follow for front door, say they go marry them. You Edoche follow for back, give woman belle outside wedlock, come marry the girl without the wife even knowing. Na for online na this man come announce am where the woman come hear am. The same way where all of us stay here na the same day the May Edoche take hear am. So you no expect that type of woman to dey happy. That's why she fight for divorce. I hope God give that family the peace wey be say they deserve. So unto the wig matter wey Phyna rent with the hair vendor, Phyna don come out come file petition against the hair vendor. So she first come out come say, for some reason in December I was falsely accused of what I know nothing about, and I have been constantly bullied and embarrassed over a rented wig. With the help of the Nigerian police, I am pleased to say justice is coming. First of all, I remember to say when this matter of the wig come out, Phyna totally deny am. So when the wig vendor come bring out come bring a petition against Phyna that time because he arrest Phyna. The person, I don't know whether I invite or arrest be that, but they invite Phyna to police station, Logudu police station to be precise. So when they come reach there, according to wetin Phyna, because Phyna can't do live video that time, she say the wig, say she get the wig for us. She can't later accept, say yes, say she keep the wig for her. That when police come her house, she tell her sister, say make the sister not give them any wig. Say so the way the police just dey show push body anyhow, the sister can't use fear give them the wig. So now Phyna dey claim again now say she don't know anything about the rented wig. The same Phyna wey tell us before say the wig dey her house. Come out come drop this later come say Otabo Josephina 22nd December 2023, the petition of conspiracy and cyberbullying, cyber stalking against Damilola Olaro of Air by Dam the Beauty and others with phone number blah blah blah. So una go just read the thing because I no fit read all these things. So as she filed that petition, her fans, a lot of them, they clap for her. While some to say they don't tire to dey defend her. They beg her say, "Mama, I beg, sorry for us. We don't defend you. Tire is a lot." I just read some of the comments. So the first person here say, "Good one. Clear your name, but I beg, Phyna, pity us, your fans. Make we drink water. Drop cup at least. I don't defend you sotey my tired is getting tired. Chai Phyna, you go kpai me o. Kuku pity us aunty, no dey put us for hot seat. E no easy to defend you on this blog, so na so insult man dey collect. Come put laughing emoji. Abeg no put mouth for your matter because fire too dey there. oh, I no get power oh. Another person come tell am say na you sabi at unusual Phyna. It amaze me how people who insult always get upset when they get a return of it. Come pull out Phyna emoji. E pain you cause you were dragged of a rented wig, smile, but you drag people up and down, abi? Some dey beg her say make she sorry for them, make she no dey put them up for drags. Other ones dey come dey laugh the petition wey be say she write, say the spelling no correct, say na she na write am na make the spelling no correct. Anyone wey be say dem dey do, make dey do. I no see a reason why be say she wait until this time for her to even file this petition if true true she no rent the wig. The story no straight, and as they dey talk am, there's no smoke without fire. Reason why everybody believe say Phyna really rent the wig now because of the type of wig wey Phyna dey always wear. Her wig are always disastrous. Even for her podcast, now her wig everybody dey always laugh. I no see a reason why be say Phyna go get money like that to get a very good wig to look beautiful. No be say you dey compete with anybody. People wey no be even celebrity, they wear good wig. If you know say you no fit afford to get good wig, concentrate on doing Ghana weaving or braiding your hair or weaving natural hair. She already has the fine face, but this wig wey be say she dey wear, it always makes her look tacky, in my own opinion. Una take care, una bye.